2015 was a good year for OQBN numbers. Gant, let's kind of run through them.
Yep, absolutely, Dave. We had another good year for OQBN. We enrolled about 9,000 total head into the program all year long. Of course, the majority of those animals we actually market in the fall at our OQBN sales. And we also had about 160 producers enrolled into the program, about a 40% increase from 2014.
Now, everybody wants to know about the premiums. Let's run through how those were affected in 2015.
Yep. Of course, everybody knows this fall we are in a negative market.
Yeah.
And it was a really hard time this fall. But when you look at it, we actually lost about $500 a head from January 1, 2015 to December 30th, 2015. But when you go back and look at specifically this fall, it was still the second highest, most valuable calf that we've ever sold. So when you actually look at OQBN premiums, we had about $11.50 a hundredweight premium on our OQBN calves compared to a non-weaned calf going through the market the same day. Again, it was the second highest premium we've ever received compared to 2014, which was closer to about $20 a hundredweight for those particular animals.
So how does a value enhancement program like OQBN help soften the impact in a downturn year like that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Dave, like I said, we lost about $500 a head on a 6.5 to 7 weight calf. But when you look at when we wean those calves late September, and then we market those calves on into the fall, if we did nothing, those calves were stagnant, meaning they were not gaining very much of that period of time. We did not vaccinate and did not do many management practices to those calves. That calf actually lost about $250 over that period of time as a whole. But when you compare that to the OQBN calves going through the program that have had 2 rounds of vaccinations, been weaned a minimum of 45 days, and a lot of these calves are weaned closer to 60 days, they only lost about $125 a head. And so when we look at that over all 9,000 head, it was about $1 million savings to the state of Oklahoma this fall, even though we did still lose money on OQBN calves. We saved about $125 a head.
We're still several months away from the weaning dates. Why should a producer still look at a program like this?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of questions like that.
Yeah.
If I'm losing money, why would I continue to do this? We're looking to get back in more of a normal market pattern, and this is the first year since I've been involved with the program, and really the first year since we reinitiated the program in 2009 that we are in this negative pattern. And however, losing money, we actually saved money compared to those cattle, and we have some great data from Eric DeVries that says 80% of the time that we will recoup our money on these value-added programs. And again, it has a lot to do with the facilities the producer has, what the market looks like that day, and other things. But again, we know 80% of the time that we'll make money with these programs, and we truly believe that. And a lot of producers are managing their cattle well and want to identify those cattle that way as well.
Okay, thank you much, Gant Mourer. And for more information on OQBN and other value enhancement programs, go to our website, sunup.okstate.edu.